Let's first do a recap of skip counting from 1 to 20. And we are going to do that with a froggy frog. This is a froggy frog. And let's see, his tongue is going to come out, and there are different skip numbers that we have done in skip counting by 2s. Let's do this with Ritika ma'am. First, number 2. Let's take the tongue out. Number 4. 10. Think. And we have also written the same words in our notebook.
Germs are invisible. We cannot see them, but they are present everywhere. Also, I told them that germs are transferable. We transfer our germs from one person to other. Okay, so we should always say namaste. We should not do handshake.